As a passionate, client-focused business, you know what it takes to create an out-of-this-world customer experience. But do you and your team have everything you need to fully accommodate your gender-diverse clients alongside their partners, friends and family? I'm going to take you through some of the key pieces of learning that I teach in my Habia endorsed training course that will enable you to create an inclusive and welcoming space for everyone, regardless of their gender identity or gender expression. I'm Sam Marshall and I help hair and beauty businesses become more trans-aware, gender-inclusive spaces. I'm a beauty educator, DEI advocate, speaker and columnist, and a proud member of the LGBTQIA+ community in the UK. Today, we embark on a journey from exclusion to inclusion. A journey that starts by learning how to understand and welcome gender-diverse clients into your salon.